All right, so we are Pop Colors. I hope everybody's doing well today. We make colored pencil packs paired with coloring pages.
Awesome.
All related to a specific theme. The one I'm showing here is obviously the Van Gogh colored pencil pack. Here, each pencil, and if you can see that in the camera there, is foil stamped with a name of either the artist's work or something related to their life, also related to the color. And then our coloring pages are in grayscale, so that means you can actually recreate the work on top of it. Traditional coloring pages, you work within the lines, you color within the lines. We want you to work on top of the lines here, so you can create something like this from the grayscale piece. You can just color it in lightly if you'd like, or you can also work with try to recreating the brush strokes with colored pencils, or emulate the style of the artist through colored pencils. So we think these are fun kits that you can take on the road, similar to a paint by number activity or something like that. But
a lot more creative than a paint by number.
Well, yeah, and you don't want to have paint in a car on a trip, But the colored pencils you can pop out and have fun on a trip with.
Absolutely.
And make a great work. So yeah,
That
appreciate
is
your
fabulous.
interest.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You got it.